You will need scissors to start, a ruler. We also will need a paper plate, some liquid glue, please no sticky glue, fuzzy sticks, colored paper, a pencil, some tape. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw our teacups by stacking the construction paper on top of each other, then drawing on the very outside part our teacup. It's going to look a little something like this. Just the U shape, and then you connect the two ends. Next, you're going to draw your handle, and you're going to give yourself some space on the same paper, and it's going to draw a backward C. And then you're going to double that, and then you're going to cut it out. And it should look like this, and you can decorate it. I stacked my teacups on top of each other, and I put little dots with a marker, and you can see I taped it to the back on top of each other, up and down with a fuzzy stick. The tape is going from left to right. You can cut off any excess tape that you have left over. The goal is to get it to stick up, and this is the hair bow, and I did it just like the teacups. And this is my Cheshire cat that I created from my last video, and he's gonna go on top of my hat. Remember, boys and girls, we have to be resourceful. There he is. So we're gonna turn him over, and then we're just gonna put glue on the bottom half of his body. Just the bottom half, and not too much. We don't want the Cheshire cat to get really thin because of the weight of the glue. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna fold the paper plate in half, inside out. Yes, just like that. Increase it. Then you're gonna grab your scissors, and you're gonna cut right down the center just a little bit, not to get to the edges. And you're gonna create triangles. Yes, you're gonna cut the triangles, and you'll see why in a couple of seconds. So it kind of looks like apple pie, but we're gonna cut that so each individual triangle can be folded outwards on its own. So this is what I'm doing now. Just gonna kind of gently fold it back, just like that. And keep folding. That way you'll open up a hole just in case. And you can stick your fuzzy sticks through there and tape them underneath. So here goes the gluing part for the Cheshire cat. You got to figure out the placement first before you gluing. So he's gonna sit down just like that. Okay. So please watch carefully. Remember, just on the bottom portion only. Just on the bottom portion. And then we're gonna spread that glue all around. And then we're gonna gently glue him to the paper plate. That was the easy part. Now it's time for us to start gluing our teacups that are on our fuzzy sticks, aka pipe cleaners. So the fuzzy sticks are there, and we're going to make sure that they're sturdy. Okay, everything is intact. So we're going to take the bottom end of the fuzzy sticks that have no teacups, and we're going to insert it inside the opening of the paper plate. Then we're going to bend them around the paper plate just to kind of help secure it in place. And then we're going to also glue the back of the paper cup to the back of Cheshire the cat, like so. Requires a little bit more effort and work and manipulation of all your items, because remember, we're doing a Mad Hatter's hat. So it's going to look rather silly, and it's going to have a lot of odds and ends on top of it. So you have to do the best you can. Make sure you get it to stick. That's the ultimate goal, because we don't want it falling over. Now you're going to take your fuzzy sticks and you're going to twirl them around your finger to give it a coiled look. That's me doing that right there, and it's very springy looking. And that's the finished product. Now I'm going to give you a 3D tour. Wow, look at that. Isn't that Mad Hatter's hat a beaut? So you have Alice in Wonderland, Mad Hatters. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please do remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our video. Bye-bye.